Hello everyone, it's Nina, and thanks for joining me today for a new video using Simon Says Stamp's brand new limited edition gift card kit, available only while supplies last. This is a special kit that is not part of the regular monthly subscription, so you can only get it while supplies last. It's really great for creating gift card holders and decorating some beautiful pieces that you can use to gift a gift card in. So I'm going to share quite a few different ideas using contents from the kit, as well as a few extra pieces that I'm going to pull in here and there. Let's start first by making this really fun gift card pocket envelope. I started off by die cutting the new giant gift bow die from some of the matte silver cardstock that's included in the kit. You get both the die and also the paper in your kit. I'm going to die cut this a couple times because I want multiple shiny bows. Once I've die cut all the pieces, you'll notice this assembles into a dimensional bow that looks absolutely realistic. I'm using foam squares, thin 3D foam squares, to attach all my pieces in place because that gives them some lift off of the entire piece. You'll just nest all these little shapes together and you can see where they go based off of how those shapes nest with the overall outline layer. This comes together in no time at all. I'm going to also use the new gift card pocket envelope die, which is something I designed for Simon Says Stamp along with the gift card bow die. Both of these pieces work really well for creating a really beautiful gift card pocket. I've die cut that envelope from some of the pattern paper that's included in the kit. Now I did want to mention that this gift card pocket envelope is not part of the kit, but it's sold as an add-on. So you can add this to your purchase when you check out. The envelope creates the score lines that you need in order to fold everything together and create the flap that tucks into the little notch. That's the perfect place to then stick a gift card inside. The gift card kit comes with these really handy pixie dot circles that are absolutely fantastic for putting onto the back of a gift card because they are just a temporary adhesive, so it's not permanent. You can stick this right down inside of your gift card envelope, and this will easily pop out when you want to actually remove it. I decorated my gift card pocket envelope with that shiny bow that I made from the giant gift bow die, and check out how cute this is. I love how this comes together, and you could decorate either the front or the back side of the envelope. It's all up to you. You get the choice. I actually did 2 different gift card envelopes, and one has the bow on the front and the other one has it on the back. I wanted to make sure to add some tags to this though, so I also brought in a die set that's not part of the kit, but it's the scallop tags die set. I'm using the smallest tag die to go ahead and create a small tag that I can attach onto these gift card holders. I'm decorating them with stamped images from the holiday gift giving stamp set that's part of the gift card kit. I stamped both the star and the snow images onto my tags using flannel ink from Simon Says Stamp. This creates a nice tone-on-tone effect on that fog cardstock. For a greeting, I chose a sentiment from that same stamp set, but I stamped it onto the matte silver cardstock. I actually stamped it twice to get 2 greetings, both say Happy Holidays, and I just used some white embossing powder from Simon Says Stamp to sprinkle on top of those sentiments, and then I'll heat set them. You could, of course, cut these down into a rectangle or a circle. I chose to fussy cut because I do like doing that. So I'm going to use my fine tip scissors to cut around the sentiments, and then I'll glue them straight down onto my tags with some foam tape. This now adds some nice dimension on my tags, but not too bulky. And I decided to add a little bit of sparkle on the bottom using a strip of glitter cardstock. There's glitter cardstock in both silver and gold included in the kit, and I'm going to glue a very thin strip that I cut from that paper onto the bottom of each of these tags. To make it easy, I just stuck a long strip of Simon Says Stamp's Terrific tape across that strip and then trimmed off any excess when I laid these down on top of each of my tags. For a bit more sparkle, I also brought in some of the ribbon that's included in the kit, and I tied that through the tops of each of the tags. With a small piece of red line tape, I'm going to put that on the back side of the ribbon. Red line tape holds onto pretty much anything, including ribbon, wood, you name it. I thought I would attach my tags in place so that way they don't fall off. So using that red line tape, I just put a small piece onto one of the ribbon strips, and that keeps it from falling off of my gift card holder. How cute are these? This is so much fun and such an unexpected finish. And for the recipient, it's super pretty and a unique packaging for them to open. I also wanted to make a gift card holder that utilized some of the envelopes that are included in the kit. So I pulled out this fir branch die set. This is actually from Simon Says Stamp's most recent holiday release called Holiday Sparkle. And it's a 3-piece die set that you can use kind of in a lot of different ways. I like layering the fir branches together to create a more fuller piece. So I just used some Simon Says Stamp Craft Tacky Glue to glue these glitter die cuts together and form a nice sprig of fir branch. So I actually made a couple of these, and these are going to get assembled onto the envelope, but also the little mini card that goes with the envelope. You could stick a gift card in this very easily using those little glue dots. Of course, the little card fits perfectly inside the envelope, and because it's clear, you can see all of the beautiful detail on the card when you have it already packaged up in the envelope. So we're going to continue the design of the card also on the envelope by placing one of the fir branches on the flap of the envelope itself. For the actual card, I'm going to add a little bit more embellishment by using the new BAUBLES stencil from the gift card kit, and I'm going to ink blend through that stencil to create a single ornament that I can layer up with the fir branch that's going to go on the card. I used some fawn ink from Simon Says Stamp to create a very light ink blended background for the base of the ornament. It's a 3-part stencil, so you layer these pieces up together to create the dimensional ornament. Each layer I just tape down in place as I'm working with it. So the second layer, I did another light layer of blending on top of that to create the shadow. And then finally we'll bring in the detail layer, and that creates these really pretty swirls. So instead of using ink this time, however, I'm going to actually use paste, because that's going to give me some nice shine. I use this stencil butter from the Crafter's Workshop to apply through that stencil, and then once this dries, I'll actually go ahead and cut this out with my scissors. I then layered that onto my card with the fir branch, a greeting from the gift giving stamp set, and I also brought in some of these Tim Holtz gold and silver pearls. I used just the gold to add a few of those around my card, but also on the envelope too, because I'm trying to pull that design onto the envelope as well. So everything ties together beautifully. So as you can see, this makes a really cute pairing that looks absolutely stunning when you put this on your gift package. Off camera, I made a few other projects that I thought I would share before we wrap up this video. So for this little envelope, I just stamped and gold heat embossed a few poinsettias from the gift giving stamp set onto one of the mini schoolhouse red envelopes that's included in the kit. That fun little wreath in the corner, that's also in part of the kit. That's a holiday wreath adornment from Tim Holtz. Adds a nice festive touch to the finished gift card holder. This cute pair of sleeves are super fun and have a very classy finish to them. I used the bauble stencil, and there's a star layer that will create that really nice pattern on the right hand side of each of these sleeves. I just used a bit of paste to apply through the stencil, and that created a nice design that I could then pair up with some other pieces. You'll notice I have a sentiment on one of them and a nice bow, but then the other gift card holder has a beautiful star and a tag tied around the bottom. So a couple different ways you could do that. All right, so there we go. Lots of different ways that you can use the limited edition gift card kit from Simon Says Stamp. Like I said, this is a kit that is available only while supplies last, so if you like it, definitely make sure you grab it while you can. I have links below in the video description as well as on my blog for you to check out, which features all the products that I used today. So if you're looking for anything, definitely check those out. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back soon with more to share with you all. Until then, have a fabulous day. Bye!